Submitting a manuscript to unsuitable journals is a common mistake. It makes journal editors to reject your manuscript before peer review. So choosing a right journal makes it more likely that your manuscript will be accepted. How to find a right journal. In this video, I will help you to find a right journal for your research work by using 4 tools. First one, Elsevier Journal Finder. Second one, Springer Journal Suggester. Third one, IEE Publication Recommender. Fourth one, Wiley Journal Finder. So in this video, I will be showing you how this journal finder will help you to identify right journal for your research work by using a manuscript. In order to find right journals using Journal Finder, we should have a manuscript. I have already prepared a manuscript which is having a title, abstract and keywords. Only thing you should do is just copy paste the title, abstract and keywords in Journal Finder. So let's look that. So first we are going to look Elsevier journals. Take Google and type Elsevier Journal Finder. So select the Elsevier Journal Finder. Elsevier Journal Finder helps you to find Elsevier journals which could be best suited for publishing your scientific article. Only thing you should do is to enter the title and abstract of your paper. Then you can see a list of journals which could be best suited for your publication. This journal finder uses special vocabulary and smart technology to match your paper to scientific journals. So we can just copy paste the title, abstract and keyword. Then you can see a list of journal which matches your paper. Here you can see an option called Refine Your Research. By clicking here, you can give the filter and find more relevant journals. So first one is publication type, which contains open access journal and subscription type. Next is the journal impact, which contains the site score and impact factor of a journal. Here you can set the filters according to your need. You can set the site score, impact factor, time to take first decision and time publication. Click on find journals. So here you can see the journals matching your paper. It's showing a 19 journals matching a paper according to our manuscript. Here you will get a brief introduction of the journal, which is open access or subscription type, test match score, site score, impact factor, acceptance rate, time to take first decision and time to get publication. By clicking on the arrow, you can get the full details regarding the journal. So here you can see another filter which contain best match, journal name, site score, impact factor, acceptance rates, time to take first decision and time to publication. So here also you can give the filter and find the matching papers. So this is all about Elsevier Journal Finder. Here by setting the filter according to your need, you can find the right journal matching your manuscript. Next, we are going to find journals of Springer by using Springer Journal Suggester. So that take Google and type Springer Journal Suggester. Click on the first option. Here you just need is to enter the title and abstract of your manuscript and select the subject area accordingly. And you can see an option called Refine Your Recommendation. Here you can set the values according to your need, such as the impact factor, minimum acceptance rate and maximum time to take first decision. Then click on Suggest Journals. You can see a list of journals according to our manuscript given. Here is a brief introduction of our journal. This journal is both open access type and subscription type, which is having an impact factor, the time to take first decision and the acceptance rate. So each journal is having a brief introduction regarding the journal. And by clicking on the arrow, you can get more details regarding journal. So this is all about Springer Journal Suggester. So next we are going to find another journal suggester using IEE Publication Recommender. So select the first option, IEE Publication Recommender. So this is IEE Publication Recommender, which consists of periodicals and conference. Here you can search journal by entering the keywords or extracting the keywords from articles. Next we can give the details regarding the time of publishing and then click on Get Recommendation. So here you can see a list of periodicals and conferences which matches our keyword. So this is all about IEE publication recommender. Next we are going to find the journals of Wiley by using Wiley Journal Finder. So this is Wiley Journal Finder. This is now in a beta version and will be available to public within a short time. So here you should do is to enter your paper title and abstract, and the journal finder will suggest you relevant journals based on your manuscript details. So that's all about journal finder. These journal finder will help you to find a right home for your paper. Try them out today and help your research flourish.